Hi, this is Ken. We're finishing up the C8 install of the Hawk pads on the C8 Corvette. Just wanted to go over the Hawk compounds briefly. This stuff will all be hitting the website soon. You could search your C8 Corvette on knsbrakes.com. Hawk will have brake pads for both the base and Z51 model cars. You'd expect to see the Hawk ceramic pads. That's the yellow box. These are their performance ceramic compound. This is for those that want zero dust or very low dust and low noise. The other street pads they'll make will be the Hawk HPS 50. I would probably say these are fairly comparable to the OEM pads. They're a semi-metallic compound. It's a street performance brake pad, which is what your car really comes with, especially the Z51, by the way. And we'd also expect Hawk to make a range of race pads. We're going to run with the 60s front and rear in this car. That should match what we've tried in other compounds for the friction level we like for the Goodyear Supercar 3 tires. Excuse me. We would also expect them to come out with probably the 50s and maybe 70s and 80s as well. Maybe more of a race tire situation or whatever. Anyway, we'll get these on the car, and VIR is wide open. So we expect this to get some feedback on these pads very rapidly and get good results. Thanks for watching.